Foods to avoid with fatty liver. Hello, and welcome back to Health Tips channel. If you are looking to boost your liver health and overall well-being, you are in the right place. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the impact of our dietary choices on our liver. But fear not, we are here to shed light on 7 common foods that could be sabotaging your liver health. Get ready to discover what to avoid and why, as we embark on a journey to support a happier, healthier liver. Let's dive in. While some of these foods may not come as a surprise, it's important to acknowledge the value of reminders, especially in a world filled with temptation and dietary confusion. Our aim is to assist you in transitioning to a healthier diet and fostering mindfulness about your food choices. Let's make a positive shift towards nourishing our bodies with care and intention. So give yourself a pat on the back and let's take a look at the 7 things you must avoid if you want a healthy liver. Number 1. Avoid alcohol. Alcohol should be completely avoided if you have liver issues like fatty liver, hepatitis, cirrhosis, fibrosis, or scarring. Even if your liver condition is non-alcoholic, drinking can harm the healthy parts of your liver. Most doctors advise abstaining from alcohol for 6 to 12 months during recovery to reverse damage and improve health. Giving up alcohol not only benefits your liver but also aids weight loss and overall health. Number 2. Avoid refined sugar. Especially high fructose corn syrup, HFCS, is harmful to liver health and is found in 80% of processed foods. Avoid sugary items like candy, soda, desserts, and baked goods. Beware of commercial fruit juices, energy drinks, cereals, and condiments containing HFCS, which can lead to inflammation, insulin resistance, diabetes, heart disease, and fatty liver. Number 3. Avoid processed grains. Opt for whole grains like oatmeal, quinoa, and brown rice instead of refined and processed grain products such as white pasta, white bread, white rice, and cornmeal. Processed grains spike insulin levels similarly to sugar, impacting liver health. Some experts even recommend avoiding processed grains more than sugar due to their detrimental effects on the liver. Dr. William Davis, in his book Wheat Belly, highlights the benefits of eliminating wheat from the diet for improved health outcomes, including reduced belly fat. Consider temporarily eliminating wheat and gluten-containing foods to assess their impact on your well-being. Number 4. Avoid soft drinks. Numerous studies indicate that regular consumption of soft drinks is linked to a higher risk of developing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease due to their high content of high fructose corn syrup and sugar. Surprisingly, diet soft drinks are equally detrimental to liver health. The artificial sweetener aspartame, found in diet sodas, requires processing by the liver along with other chemicals and preservatives present in these beverages. Aspartame can disrupt metabolic processes by tricking the body into producing insulin, even in the absence of sugar, leading to fluctuations in blood sugar levels that affect metabolism and digestion. This interference can impair the liver's function, hindering its ability to perform essential tasks. Number 5. Limit saturated fats. If you are dealing with a fatty liver, saturated fats put extra strain on your liver during digestion, possibly leading to discomfort. Additionally, because they don't fully digest, these fats might seep into your bloodstream, causing feelings of sickness, bloating, and inflammation. Saturated fats are a type of dietary fat that are typically solid at room temperature. They are mainly found in animal products such as meat and dairy, as well as some plant-based sources like coconut oil and palm oil. Number 6. Avoid ice cream. Ice cream poses a quadruple threat due to its combination of fat, sugar, dairy, and temperature. Number 7. Limit salt intake. Many individuals following the standard American diet, both in Western countries and elsewhere, consume excessive amounts of salt and sodium. This contributes to elevated rates of heart disease, brain disorders, and notably, dehydration, which can exacerbate the symptoms of fatty liver disease. The liver requires adequate hydration, particularly water, to facilitate the flushing out of toxins. Therefore, individuals with fatty liver disease should aim to drink 8 to 10 cups of water per day to support liver health. Now, the question arises, what to do next? These guidelines are meant to raise awareness about what we consume, how much sugar, how much salt, how many processed foods, how many toxins. By being mindful of these factors, we can reduce their intake. Reading food labels, cooking at home, and listening to our body's hunger cues are key. Overeating is a greater concern than occasional indulgences. Remember, it's about making informed choices and finding balance in our eating habits. As we conclude this video, remember that your liver health is in your hands. By making mindful choices about what you eat and drink, you can support your liver and overall well-being. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so if you have any medical concerns, consult with a healthcare professional. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our health and wellness tips. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for joining us. Stay healthy, stay happy. See you in the next video.